Gumloop is a no-code AI automation platform designed to help users create and manage complex workflows without writing code. Key features. Gumloop offers a drag-and-drop interface allowing users to build custom workflows by connecting modular components known as nodes on a visual canvas. The platform integrates AI models to perform tasks such as data extraction, summarization, and web browsing, and enhancing the automation process. Users can access a library of pre-built workflows called flows for various tasks including document processing, web scraping, SEO, CRM management, and email marketing. Third-party integrations. Gumloop supports integrations with popular applications like HubSpot, Slack, Google Drive, and more, facilitating seamless data transfers across the platform. The visual builder makes it accessible for non-technical users to create complex workflows. It is suitable for various departments including marketing, sales, HR, and customer support to automate repetitive tasks. Users have praised Gumloop for its flexibility and the efficiency it brings to their operations.